Hello and welcome to Astronomics episode number 12. Yes, Unsmarts can win. Nobody is born incompetent, and therefore it is cruel when I see the most so called experts, writers, and philosophers call all those whom they think they are incompetent as dumb. If were we incompetent, we would not have tried as a child to imitate expressions, smile, cry, crawl, climb the obstacles, or get up and take a walk. We understood the expressions of joy, anger, or reprimand that our parents made at us, and either responded or reacted to it. We endured and enjoyed our upbringing at home or school. And growing up on the world stage, we did all that boldly and successfully. Well, not everyone can be the star performer at work. Then, why do they call us dumb or incompetent? Simply to sell their wares. Let us face it, books, TED Talks, and podcasts have turned how to be smart into an industry. There are more than 50 or 100 books like How to Be Smart Before Breakfast, Think Smarter, Not Harder, or Get Smart or Die Trying, that proclaim that if you read them, you will be the smartest guy on this planet. If you haven't read Thinking Fast and Slow or attended a lecture on quantum leadership, are you even trying? They do not spare even KG children whom they want to teach confident public speaking. It's a circus, where intellectual acrobatics are mandatory, and yet some of us feel like we are in the wrong tent, struggling to achieve success at work while others tightrope over corporate success. Most of the time, then, we start doubting our competency, our skills, or even existence for that matter, and become victim of stress, right? No more. Let me tell you that all this pressure to be polymath is unnecessary. That some philosophers believed you don't need a genius IQ to thrive. Yes, guys, there is a hope for all of us who consider finishing a word search, Sudoku puzzle, learning Excel formulas, or macros a productive day. Then, what is the remedy for this? You just need 6 skills and just 3 books for a quick journey to success. There are these skills. 1. Communication mastery. It is not what you know, it is how you convey. Clear, concise, and persuasive communication wins over bosses, clients, and peers. Be the one who can turn jargon into stories, and you will always stand out. Business and market intelligence. Success isn't just about numbers, it is about understanding the story they tell. Get familiar with your organization's industry sector, analyze the business balance sheet, and identify opportunities for growth. It is less about being a genius and more about wearing the yellow hat of optimism to spot how revenue can be driven upward. Time management. Forget multitasking like a caffeinated octopus. The ability to prioritize, delegate, and say no to distractions separates the movers from the middlers. When the blue hat of process control guides your day, you will focus on what truly matters. Don't waste time in learning Excel formulas or macros. Fourth, networking skills. It is not just who you know, it is who knows you. Build a genuine relationship, help others, and maintain connections. One good introduction can change your career trajectory faster than mastering calculus ever could. Fifth, analytical and creative thinking. Borrow a page from Edward de Bono, his book, The Six Thinking Hats. Learn to alternate perspectives. Wear the red hat for intuition, the black hat for caution, and the green hat for creativity. When you approach problems systematically, you will uncover innovative solutions which others miss. The sixth skill, seize the opportunity. When some additional assignment or responsibility comes your way, seize it, execute it with passion, and achieve the goal. Now, which are those three top books? 1. Edward de Bono's Six Thinking Hats, a pretty small book to master the skill. Second, Writing That Works by Roman and Rafelson. The third, The Elements of Style by William Strunk. Just own these three books, read and practice, thank me later. Now, the real takeaway from this episode: you don't need a dozen smart hacks or a towering bookshelf to succeed. Focus on mastering a few key skills that allow you to see the bigger picture, connect with others, and think in versatile ways. The next time you feel like your career is a few watts dimmer than the office smartest or the brightest bulbs, remember this: history and philosophy backs you up. Success isn't about intelligence, it is about the right mix of timing, confidence, some special knowledge, and the occasional tactical nap. So put down that 10 times your brain power book, or rewiring or retraining brain. Take a leisurely coffee break, and remember, unsmarts can win. You just have to make it look deliberate. This is what Marcus Porcius Cato, a Roman statesman, he died in 149 BCE, had said: "The wise learn more from fools than fools from the wise." So here is to your success. Cheers. Don't forget to like this episode and comment. And yes, if you haven't yet subscribed, please do that also. Until then, bye and take care.